Something throughout this course that keeps getting mentioned, at least for the AZ-204, is Distributed Application Runtime, or also known as Dapr. And, it's not going to show up on any of the exams, but the idea is that it's good to know what it is. It is a Microsoft thing that they had built. It's Distributed Application Runtime, short for Dapr, provides an API that simplifies microservice connectivity. So Dapr is a portable, event-driven runtime that makes it easy for any developer to build resilient, stateless, and stateful applications that run on the cloud and edge and embrace the diversity of the language and developer frameworks. It's interesting they say diversity of languages because it doesn't support my favorite language, which is Ruby, yet it supports PHP. Kind of explain that one to me, but Dapr provides basically a bunch of functionality. So the idea is that you are going to write your application code up here, like whatever language you want. And then the idea is that you can communicate via a gRPC or HTTP AI or API to a bunch of standard services. So like service-to-service invocation, state management, pub/sub, resource binding, triggers, actors, observability, secrets, configuration. It allows you to connect to edge infrastructure. Now, basically, these are just basically wrappers, so to speak, for standard functionality that you'd want to have alongside a microservice application. Dapr is not taking off as you would think it is. I don't know anybody that's really that interested in adopting it because it is this thing is more in the cloud native space, like Kubernetes, CNCF. And the thing is that unless there's buy-in with that community and that this is truly agnostic, you're going to have a hard time to see adoption unless it meets those things. It just does not. It's very interesting. I think it'd be really cool to build an application on top of Dapr for your microservice applications, but I strongly doubt anyone would be using this because the future of this project is debatable. But it is mentioned throughout this course, so I just wanted to give you a little bit more attention there. We're definitely not going to dig in any code with Dapr, but there you go.